If you're looking for a brand new way to create paid communities and monetize your content in 2025, stay tuned, because in this video, I'll walk you through every step of setting up your very own paid Telegram channel from start to finish. By the end, you'll have a full understanding of how to create a secure, members-only space where your subscribers can access exclusive content, and you can easily manage payments and subscriptions, all inside Telegram. Let's get right into it. First things first, we need to create your private Telegram channel. On your chats page in Telegram, look for the Create button, usually a pencil icon, right up top or at the bottom depending on your device. Tap on that and select New Channel. Now you'll be prompted to give your channel a name. Take a moment to choose something clear and memorable because this is how potential members will recognize you. Add a solid description, let people know what kind of exclusive perks they'll get inside, and don't forget to upload a profile picture to make your channel look polished and trustworthy. Next, Telegram will ask whether you want your channel to be public or private. Here, always choose private. This is crucial. A private channel keeps your content gated, so only those with permission, or more importantly in this case, paying subscribers can join. Telegram will then generate a unique invite link. Be sure to save it. This link is the key your membership bot uses later to manage access for your paid subscribers. If at any point you're unsure, remember you can always double-check these privacy settings in your channel profile. Now, let's set up the membership bot, which automates the whole subscription process for you. Inside Telegram's search bar, type something like Invite Member or any recommended membership bot for channels. When you find the bot, start a chat and just follow the instructions. These bots are designed to guide you step by step. Typically, the bot will ask you to create a new project or connect a channel. When prompted, select the private channel you just set up. This step is essential because the bot needs to be linked directly to your channel so it can handle invitations and manage member access. Don't worry if you get a pop-up asking for permissions. Granting access lets the bot work behind the scenes, so you don't have to manage every join request manually. With your channel connected, it's time to configure your subscription options. This is where you decide how your monetization works. Inside the bot settings, you'll find options to set up different subscription plans. Maybe you want to offer access monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The choice really depends on your content and audience. Carefully set the price for each plan. Think about what works for your audience and what value you're offering. The bot will handle payments, typically with options like credit cards or in-app payment processors. The beauty is, once someone pays, the bot immediately grants them access to your channel. No manual work, no chasing payments, it's totally hands-off. If you ever need to adjust pricing, you can do so right in the bot's dashboard. Finally, with your paid Telegram channel fully set up, you'll want to promote it to reach your target audience. Share your channel link across your social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or even your website if you have one. The more places people hear about your channel, the better your chance at attracting new paid subscribers. And once those members start joining, keep them engaged. Run polls, host Q&As, and post consistently. Building a community takes effort, but genuine engagement will not only keep your members happy but also encourage others to join in. Alright, you're officially ready to launch your own paid Telegram channel and start building an exclusive, thriving community in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any questions at all about bots, payment setups, or audience growth, drop them in the comments below. I always check and reply. To keep learning with more in-depth tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Good luck with your channel, and I'll see you in the next video.